Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll build a beautiful Flutter profile card app. While creating this project, you'll learn the most important Flutter widgets used in real applications. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Flutter layouts work and confidently build modern user interfaces. Before writing any code, let's understand the Flutter project structure. We'll mainly work inside the lib folder, where our Dart code lives. The Assets folder stores images and icons, while pubspec.yaml is used to register assets and manage dependencies. Every Flutter application starts from the main function. It is the entry point of every Dart program. Inside it, RunApp launches the first widget of our application. Here, we're using Stateless widget, which is perfect for building user interfaces that don't change dynamically. MaterialApp is the root widget of every Flutter application. It manages themes, navigation, and the home screen. Inside it, Scaffold provides the basic page layout, giving us a structured screen where we can place our widgets. The Container widget acts like a customizable box. With BoxDecoration, we can add colors, gradients, rounded corners, and shadows. Combining these features helps us create attractive and professional-looking user interfaces. The Card widget creates a clean surface with rounded corners and elevation, making the design look modern. CircleAvatar is commonly used to display profile pictures or icons in a circular shape, making profile layouts more visually appealing. Column arranges widgets vertically, while Row places them horizontally. Expanded helps widgets share available space equally, making layouts responsive and balanced across different screen sizes. The Text widget displays information on the screen. Using TextStyle, we can customize the font size, weight, color, spacing, and more. Good typography makes an application easier to read and more professional. Buttons allow users to interact with the application. We'll use ElevatedButton and OutlinedButton for different actions. Flutter's built-in icons help make the interface more intuitive and visually engaging. Now let's see how all these widgets connect together. Our profile card app is built by combining simple widgets into a structured layout. This widget tree shows how Flutter creates complex interfaces using small, reusable components. Congratulations! You've successfully built your Flutter profile card app. Try customizing the colors, profile image, and social icons as practice. In the next lesson, we'll build a modern login screen UI and continue our Flutter journey together. Awesome work! You completed your second Flutter project and learned the core widgets that power real mobile applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to complete the homework challenge and customize your profile card app. I'll see you in part 3, where we'll build a beautiful Flutter login screen UI from scratch. Happy coding!